Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube channel videos. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am most literally going to be turning myself into a cat. Okay, and I'm doing this for a reason. If you watch all the way to the end, I'll tell the reason. I really hope that you guys stick to the end to see why I'm doing this makeup. That's what we're doing today. I'm really scared. If my intro goes the way I want it to, I really hope that y'all like it, and I hope that some of y'all get the reference. It's inspired by a game I used to play a lot when I was younger. 𝑒𝐞𝐤𝐴𝐷𝐸, I think that's what it's called, if I'm remembering correctly. And it's a game where you just collect different kinds of cats, and it has really nice music and really cute cats and stuff, and it's so cute. But yeah, I thought it was the perfect reason to even make an intro like that. So I hope that you guys get the reference, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the intro. In a few videos back, I actually told y'all about me watching 𝘁𝐻𝐼 and stuff, but if you actually look up 𝘁𝐻𝐼 and then 𝑒𝐞𝐤𝐴𝐷𝐸, you probably will find a video of her. She did like a hide and seek challenge. It was within a 𝑒𝐞𝐤𝐴𝐷𝐸 Minecraft map. That was so cool to me back then because I loved the game and I love 𝘁𝐻𝐼. And okay, y'all, I'm ranting now, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I also want to briefly mention that before I come back to y'all, I will most likely have on contacts. For today's look, I wanted to use some contacts, so I'm going to be using the Happy Kristen Secret of Kristen collection in the shade Dusk Brown. These are the ones I want to use. They're super duper cute. It's a really natural brown, and it has that like lighter brown down there, and it makes my eyes not only look bigger, but it makes them look a lot more animated and a lot more alive. So yeah, I think that would be perfect for this look. So when you guys see me on my next clip, I will have these on. Okay guys, the contacts are in, and yeah, I really love these contacts. I'm gonna be so sad when I run out of them, but here they are. Super cute. Let's get started on the brows. I'm going to do my brows off camera. If you guys do want a tutorial for my brows, I have a tutorial linked right up here to the one that I have on YouTube. But if you guys want one that is a bit more similar to the eyebrows I'm going to be doing for today, check out my TikTok. I'll link the video down below in the description. But if it's been like maybe 1 or 2 days after I've uploaded this video, by then I should have uploaded the eyebrow tutorial for my last look. So if you check out my TikTok, there will be a tutorial there, and you guys can use that to reference how I did my brows for this look. The only thing that'll be different is probably just that my brows are going to be a little bit lighter. Okay, so that's it. That's all I want to tell y'all. See y'all then. I'm like a little silly right now, guys, but I finished up with my brows and they look alright. With the brows, they kind of are their own little thing, because with this look, I wanted to put different like little marks on my face, kind of like a cat has. I didn't have the right materials to block out my brows completely, so I still had to incorporate my brows some way into this makeup look, you know? So I just made them really thin, and yes, they're brows, but I also want them to kind of act as if they're cat marks. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna move on to doing my base. If you guys do want to see what products I use, when this video is uploaded, I'll also have a Instagram picture posted that will also have this stuff in there too. So y'all can go ahead and check that out if y'all want to see what products I use for my base. I'll see y'all when it's time to do something else on the next step of the makeup. Also, my cheeks are like this because I'm under blushing. Okay. Hey y'all, so I did a little bit of my base. I just did my foundation. That's pretty much it, and we're looking good. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've done right now. I'm gonna show you guys me putting on my concealer, because the process of that is going to be a little bit different than usual. So let's get started with that. I'm gonna first go in with this Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm going to go in all these different places. Just a little bit, because this concealer is super duper thick. I don't really want to overdo it. A little bit of this concealer can go a long way, which is why I believe that it has the name that it does. I truly don't even think it should be labeled as like a average concealer. My placement of my concealer is really important because I'm going for a cat makeup, not just normal makeup, but I'm going for a cat face makeup. So I'm gonna focus a lot of my concealer like around here and here mainly. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this, so the Fenty concealer, this Juvia's Place concealer, and then this e.l.f. concealer. Those are the 3 concealers I'm going to be using for this look. I haven't done my base with y'all in a while. It's actually quite crazy. That's all blended out. Now I'm gonna put on the other 2 concealers that I mentioned, and then I'll be back once I finish up with that. Okay y'all, so I just did some contouring, and I'm a little upset because of something, but I'm not gonna mention it, because if I mention it then everyone's gonna notice, of course. But now we're doing contour, and today's contour is gonna be a bit different because of course I'm not going for my regular look. I'm trying to become a cat. So first things first that we're gonna do is we're taking my bronzer that I always use, and I'm gonna literally just bronze right in here. a lot. Like, I'm not holding back on my bronzer either. And then we're also gonna bring it down here, see? And now we're gonna also bronze right down here, like really heavily on my nose. And also in this little space right here. Okay, I look a little crazy, guys. I'm really hoping this comes together because I truly feel so insane. And then for nose contour, we're also doing something really different. So I'm going to take my contour once again, and I'm going to literally like go all the way on my nose like this. Super heavy on my nose. Okay, and then I'm just going to go on the side of my nose as if I was contouring regularly, and I'm gonna bring this light brown shade up on my face. Okay, I'm starting the cat contour. Like, don't I look kind of cattish right now? I guess it's time for me to start with my eye makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do for my eye makeup is I'm going to take, once again, the same bronzer shade I use, and I am going to put a little winged liner in this look, but first we're going to take this brown shade and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, like literally all over. Okay, and I'm going to create like a little wing right here with the contour. Now that we have that going on, I'm going to bring out my handy dandy Juvia's Place palette. Many of y'all know I always use this thing like on almost every single look. So I'm going to take a brown shade from there. It's kind of a trust the process thing right now. I'm going to blend that up a little bit, not too much, but we're going to blend it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to do that to the other side and I'll be right. Now I'm going to do a little winged liner. I'm going to take a little liner and I'm just going to do a little wing, like literally nothing special whatsoever. And I'm going to try to buff it out with a little bit more brown. Plot twist, guys, I actually ended up hating that liner that I did. Like, it was terrible. I don't know what happened. I don't even know why I did the liner so bad this time around, because I usually never have problems with my liner. So I had to completely wipe the liner away and I had to redo my eye. Let's refilm the eyeliner part, okay? Before I start though, I do want to put a little bit of this. This is actually a lip liner. Please don't do what I'm doing. I'm gonna put this lip liner in my waterline real quick. Now we're gonna start with some of this other part of the makeup look. So we're gonna start by trying to make my nose a little bit more dramatic. It needs to be a lot darker than it is right now. And then I'm gonna go in with a bit of a darker brown, trying to make it super dark right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of that down here too. I'm going to go in with some concealer and I'm going to shape out the little like nose print, and then I'm going to color it with a palette that I have, a Yesstyle palette I have. Okay, that looks phenomenal. But now that that's on, I'm going to take a brush and I'm first of all going to pat this stuff down with a little bit of this like white-ish color because I want it to stand out first and foremost. Now I'm gonna use this Dasique palette and I'm gonna probably use like literally all of these shades. I'm gonna probably use a mix of all of these and I'm going to put that on my nose to make it just a little more pink, a little more cutesy. Now I'm going to outline my nose. Okay guys, I did some little stuff off camera. I kind of made this a little more realistic looking. I put some darker pinks in there and all that. I also kind of made that a little darker, a little more visible. And now we're gonna start on the marks. Let's get started on that. I'm not gonna talk during this process. You guys are just gonna see. Okay guys, I tried to do most of the marks, but I am gonna deepen them, kind of add some more detail, and I'll come back when I'm ready for the next step. I have deepened up all of the different marks that I have on my face. As y'all can see, it looks a little bit crazy, but just wait and see the lighter markings that we're gonna have to do. So first, I do want to say that I put a little bit of pink right here because cats have that. Once again, I'm going to use this Dasique palette, and I'm going to use basically this shade right here, and I'm going to start making the markings. Let's see. I'm just going to put that in the areas where it's like super lighter on a cat. Okay, do you guys see that? Now I'm going to do that over here off camera, and I'll BRB. So for the mascara, I'm going to be using this Heroine Make Pink mascara. I'm going to put that mainly just in the inner corner right there, my bottom lashes, and then on the outer corner we'll do it brown with this Rom&nd brown mascara. I'm gonna do that off camera. Sadly, if you guys want to see that, go to my TikTok, and my TikTok video that I'm gonna upload will have that process up on there. I totally forgot about y'all. I'm so sorry. So basically what I did off camera, I put on some blush, I put on some lashes, I did my mascara. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wait a second, let me show y'all up close. Can y'all see that? The mascara right there in the front is pink, but then the one in the back is like brown. And I have on some blush and stuff, and I'm now doing my lippy. I totally forgot about y'all, sorry. I put this Morphe pencil in the shade Trendsetter, and I went like that on the corners of my lips to make them a little bit more like cattish, wider smile like a cat would have. And then I put some on the middle because all the cats that I saw in the photos that I was looking at on Pinterest, before they enter their mouth, it's a bit darker. So that's the reason why I even did that. And then I put a tiny bit of a very light brown eyeshadow on the beginning on these parts of my lips right here, just to blend my lips in with the rest of my face. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this Maybelline Lifter lip gloss in the shade Amber. I'm gonna put that just right on the outsides of my lips, just so that that's nice and shiny. And then I want a little bit of pink in my lips, so now I'm gonna use this Dasique lippy color. I forget if it's a stain or not, but I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this Dasique palette, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this like right here. And with that, y'all, I actually think this makeup look is finished. So I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'll be right back to do my outro with you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I mean, this is the end of the video. I'm really happy with how this makeup came out. I didn't think I would be able to do it as good as I did. Anyways, here's the hair. I'll have a little tutorial on it on my other social medias. Just wait for that to come out, and it will. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna use this look to enter yet another Yesstyle makeup contest. You know, I'm not gonna say too much, but I kind of went out of the box. The prompt that we were given were cat-like makeup or cat face makeup, I can't remember. It was one of those things. So instead of just doing like a cat eye and blush, I wanted to do cat makeup. How do you guys think I did? I think I did really, really good. I think it's just really nice in general. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And with that, I'm done with my makeup. I'm done with this video. Please remember to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And also visit all my other social medias, which are all linked down below. Thank y'all all so much for watching. And if you're here at the end, comment this emoji. I'll see y'all in my next video.